Good morning, geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I hope you are all in good fettle. It is the 10th of September as I record this, and I'm on my way to see my mums, as there's two of them. And while I'm out, I thought I'll do a couple of geocaches on the way. Now, you may recall from a previous video that I stopped off at Brompton, again on the way to see my mum, and I knocked off 2 or 3 while I was here. And while I was here, I realised there was this really long series. I'll put that on the screen now so you can see it. And yeah, so I did 2 or 3 of these, and I thought, well, I'll pop back at some point and I'll knock off another 2 or 3 of these and maybe do these in stages on my trip through to see my mum. So I'm here, and literally just outside my car window, there's one of these caches because that's where I've pulled up. So I'm going to do this one, hopefully, and then move on to do another 2 or 3. Let's go. And then back in the car. Well, that was a nice, quick and easy find. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because I don't want to totally give the game away, but there it is. It's quite a little cute one, this one. Found it! I don't know where that voice came from. Signed it, logged it, popped it back. The sky is looking a little bit tempestuous at this moment in time. Although on the plus side, it's kind of dissipated now, but there is a little bit of a rainbow going on over in this direction, although I doubt I'll pick it up. In other news, the next cache is about 333 meters away, down here. Let's go and have a look. It's a bit mucky round here, but thankfully I've got ideal footwear. According to this, I'm about 25 meters away. Right, I've logged it and popped it back. Haven't signed it. Log was a bit damp. The container was holding a lot of water. We have had a lot of rain. The next one is about 240 meters away, and it's in that direction. Just kind of looking backwards and up this path, this track, farm track. Do you know, it'd be quite a nice walk on a nice day, this. It's quite a spectacular looking tree, isn't it? It certainly stands out. Don't want to show you it all, but found it, it's hanging in a tree, found it, it's hanging in a tree. Right, now to get out of here. Oh, bit off the track, that one. And I'm out. Right, I've signed it, logged it, popped it back. That one takes me to 160. I'm going to head back and call it a day, partly because the terrain is a little bit rough and wet, and also it's gone 9 o'clock and I kind of need to get through to Filey, grab some breakfast at the baker's and go and see my mum. There might be some bits and pieces after this, I don't know yet, but if not, you know what to do if you're liking this kind of video. I don't know whether you've worked it out, but all my geocaching videos, they are in chronological find and hide order. So everything that I've done, it's a proper series actually, you know what I mean? It just runs sequentially. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and all that, so that and smash the bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload any new stuff. And if you like this video, if you don't like it, you know what to do. Just give it a thumbs down if you think I'm a bit crap. Ooh, sun's come out.